Hey guys, Lazy Money UK here, showing you how to make money online. I know I talk about Swagbucks a lot, but that's because it's a reliable earner. I'm going to cover some new apps and websites soon, so make sure you're subscribed. First though, I wanted to update you on Swagbucks Play, so you can continue to receive daily income from this section of the site. You may have noticed that the old Flash games have been replaced with shiny new ones that can run inside your browser window. This is a welcome change, because some of my subscribers were having trouble getting Flash Player to work. While I'm sad that we won't be able to kill Swagasaurus Rex anymore, because let's face it, he really did deserve it, I'm happy that we won't have to listen to his theme tune ever again. The games were probably replaced because Flash Player is shutting down at the end of 2020. Normally, when Swagbucks update their site, they make it worse instead of better, so I'm quite impressed. The games are no longer listed in the Play section of the site for some reason. You can find them by going straight to the address swagbucks.com/games. The payout schedule remains unchanged. You get 2 Swagbucks for every 2 attempts, up to a maximum of 10 Swagbucks. You still need to wait 30 seconds before your next attempt for it to be counted. It's also important to note that you do not need to waste your time trying to get a high score. In fact, we are looking to end the game as quickly as possible to trigger the payout. Swagasaurus Run used to be the best game for this because he accumulated points automatically before killing himself. I've been experimenting on the new games so I can teach you the fastest way to extract the payment. Since they're all puzzle games now, you need to make at least one move yourself to score points before exiting the game manually. If you don't make any attempt to play the game, it won't count towards the payout requirements. The best game to use is Arlu's Revenge 2 because it requires very little brain power. Just click on some adjacent matching colour tiles and then end the game. The other games are more complicated to play, so it will take longer to spot a move that you can make. In Pyramid Solitaire, you need to pair off cards which add up to 13. In Mahjong Dimensions, you need to choose pairs of tiles which aren't blocked in. Overall, it's still quick and easy to get your daily 10 Swagbucks from the game section. If you still need to sign up to Swagbucks to start earning PayPal cash and Amazon gift cards, you can get a $3 bonus payment for us both by using my invitation link and making your first 300 points. Thanks to everyone who got the bonus already. Your support will help me keep making these videos. Also, thanks for watching all the way to the end. Hit that like and subscribe button if you found this information useful. I'll see you again soon with some more lazy money making tips.